Hello. Before the doors of colleges open across America, students find themselves in long lines holding stacks of books that are required for the schedule of classes that are being taken by any given student. While the necessity for these textbooks are essential for the student to take the courses desired, the cost of each textbook can reach costs greater than $100, with some courses requiring 2 or more books. A full-time student taking more than 15 semester hours of classes each semester could easily spend over $1,000. To top that number off, this happens twice a year with fall and spring semesters, and more if additional classes are taken during the non-traditional school year. As a panel of students whom semester after semester are hit with the sticker shock of textbooks, we have looked into possible solutions that are both advantageous solutions that will help the students afford the cost of textbooks and ease the pinch to our wallets every year. Our group is assembled of both traditional and non-traditional students who are seeking to resolve this issue and find solutions that are beneficial to students, book publishers, college institutions, and the education community as a whole. I am Paul Baele and have joined together with my fellow students and peers Dana Scott, Joshua Brooks, and Trevor Fisher. We are going to bring to light the problem of the textbooks cost and the problems that they are creating for students, educational institutions, and possible solutions that can be taken and our jointly recommended solution that will benefit all parties involved. As mentioned in the beginning of this speech, many students are faced with the cost that is high to be able to take courses that are needed to advance in the pursuit of a degree. These costs of textbooks come in addition to the already increasing costs of tuition that must be paid even to enter the education atmosphere. Students that are entering college level of education from a high school setting have never been subjected to paying for textbooks, as most public school K-12 systems have textbooks built into the school's budget. Adults re-entering the education field may have paid for textbooks previously if they have attended schools, but the costs have risen to levels that are becoming out of reach for any student. While the materials that are needed in most cases to complete the course is being desired to be taken, we must look at the cost of these textbooks to see if there is better solutions. With the widespread use of the internet, the creative solutions of textbook costs are beginning to surface. But we also must begin to look at the publishers of these books and see if there is some sort of price gouging that is occurring due to the locked market of students who are required to use their materials for a class. With that, I turn this discussion over to my fellow student and peer for the analysis of the topic of textbook costs.